Is your business generating the profits that you want, the profits you deserve? Are you taking home enough money every pay period? Are you able to take your family on extended vacations, perhaps overseas for a couple weeks at a time? Are you able to invest in hiring top quality talent? Talent I call rock stars because they require more. If you're not, if your business isn't generating those kind of profits, then this is a video that you need to watch. I've been very successful in working with business owners to help them dramatically increase the profits in their business by getting them focused on 3 primary strategies. And I'm going to outline those today in this video because owners realize that if they don't adopt these strategies, a year from now, 3 years from now, 5 years from now, they'll be in the same boat. They will have lost 5 years of their lives, and they're still not able to afford the things that they thought they'd be able to afford when they started their business. So the first of those 3 things is they have to understand the distinction between things that are urgent and things that are important. Important things are things that are important to you, the growth of your business, your family, your relationships, your health, etc. Urgent are those things that are important to other people. And how that impacts you is they often are reflected by the fire drills that you have to put out, the customer complaints that you have to deal with. These are issues that are important to your clients, and in some cases they are important to you because they may be some of your bigger clients. But for the most part, you're probably spending a lot of time working on things that really aren't important to you and which are taking time away from your schedule that could be devoted towards those important things that will help you grow your business. So that's the first thing. Every time you're involved with something, ask yourself, am I doing something that's going to help me advance my business, or am I just doing something that's important for someone else? The second thing I want to focus you on is the importance of getting the right people in the right seats in your business. It's not enough to hire people and put them in spots and that may or may not suit their skills. You need to find the right people to put in those spots, which means you've got to do a fair amount of work on the front end to understand really who would be your ideal candidate. What sort of skills do they have? What technical skills do they have? What personal skills do they have? So that you can hire the best candidates. I find all too often that business owners are in such a rush to hire people to fill vacancies that they overlook a lot of things that if they had been a little more deliberate, they would have noticed, and they wouldn't have hired them, because hiring someone and firing them is very expensive. The third thing I want you to focus on is to become a better leader. There's a big difference between businesses where the leader is focused on achieving and reaching their vision for that business, and the business owner that's just kind of caught up in the day-to-day activities of the business. I want you to get focused on what you want from your business and devote a lot of time and effort in helping your business strive to reach those goals. So those are 3 strategies that I always roll out with my clients and to help them achieve dramatic growth in their profits. Beside this video, you'll find a link to my online calendar. Click on it and let's schedule some time for no cost 30-minute strategy session where I'll help you roll out some of these strategies in your business, and we can discuss other profit growing strategies as well.